I want to talk about these welding gloves from Lincoln Electric. I've had these for 3 years now. I'm going on my third year having them. I purchased them with the purpose of using them for my wood stove. I've really been impressed by the durability of these gloves. I haven't had any splinters, any tears in the entire time that I've owned them. These aren't only ideal for welding, but I use them with my wood stove, and I use them outdoors as well. They're insulated and they'll keep my hands warm. This is my second pair of these, and they've held up very well. The first pair lasted me about 4 years, and it was about time to update a few years ago, and I'm getting great value out of these. So I do use them for, up here in the Northeast, we burn about 5 months a year. So they're getting pretty good use out of the year. They do get a little time off in the summers, but I've enjoyed them, gotten great value out of them to this point.
If you're interested in purchasing these gloves, please click on the link in the description.